And here we have the completed diorama so far. The two wall sections connected with magnets, and the floor and the stairs. And of course, as I always say, you can continue to add details if you want to. Maybe put some furniture or further pictures on the wall, light switches, whatever. I think I'm going to continue working a little on it, but so far I think we're done here. And of course, as we saw in the first video, we have the outside of the house here, and the door that can be opened slightly out into nothing, but you can open it if you want to, and the stairs here. And then we can put the figure in the diorama, Michal Myers, if that is the figure you want to use, or any other figure. This is not only meant to be a horror diorama or a Michal Myers diorama, it's meant to be something I can use with a variety of figures. If you want a scene where you are indoor in a typical house, and now also be able to get him moving down or up the stairs here. So I think that will be the completed horror house diorama for now. I'm continuing to do diorama projects. I already know what my next project is going to be, but I hope you will join me for that in a future video. Thanks very much for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.